Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a live session. Let's put some little bit of music right here, put some PND, and again my bias was correct. Look, on the 15-minute time frame, that move, this candle right here, as soon as we open up, melted to that take profit, and I had like a 50-point stop. This would have been the trade on the recap. This would have been like a nice 1 to 1.5. Maximum 1 to 3, bro. You're milking the market if you hit that, especially if you're a continuation type trader, because this draw was really clear, bro. Relative, look how many relative equal lows we have, bro. Look at that. We have one right here, we have one right here, we have another one right here, the main move, and then we have all these down here, you know. So I'm sorry about the mic. The microphone is like really scuffed. I plan on I bought a microphone stand, and it's coming in Saturday. The other one, it's just, bro, I have it, the arm, the little arm, the microphone arm. I don't know what's wrong with the mic either. I won't lie. It's like really, it shakes back and forth. I don't know what's going on, why it's loose, this and that. But this is the back of the mic, this is the front. But I did buy another one. I don't know where I'm gonna put it on my desk though. I don't have much room. But we're gonna do another live recap. I don't know if the market is gonna offer anything, so we're gonna have to wait and see, alright? And I didn't mean to do that. I'm back on this chart. It's my other chart right here. To get rid of all this. See, we met my 1 standard deviation and melted. I don't know. The market has been back and forth. I'm not gonna lie. It's very sloppy right now. I don't know if I ever got my payout. Yeah, I think I got my payout or not. Nah, I didn't get it. I would have got an email. I'm silly me. But this payout is taking forever, bro. I don't know what it is. One payout got requested like the 17th. They both got requested on the same time. The 17th here, 1 2 3 4 days for the first payout on my, like, this account right here, and then it's been 5 6 7 8 days now on the second account. I don't know why the second account is not getting approved either. I was copy trading, doesn't make sense. It's my girlfriend texting me. She better beat me up. But yeah, I can't wait for that microphone stand to come in. It's like one where you like, it's like a desk one where you just put it on your desk like that, you know, just put it on your desk. It's like having a Blue Yeti, you know, just like that. But it's for like the Audio Technica. Hopefully it's not too big, bro, because I'm not gonna have room. But we'll start off on the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame we are sweeping the high and we are rejecting here, you know. Very clear, because again the market is back and forth. We did complete the CRT here on the weekly time frame, so that is very crucial. Let's make it a different color. Buy side objective was also met, and now we are pushing down lower. You can see here all these relative equal lows on the 4-hour, I bet, are clear draws on liquidity, as you can see. Internal array, we had this buy side imbalance get disrespected, and the market is just clearly bearish. Clearly bearish. You can see this little fair value up here getting respected. Actually, let's do this. Oh my goodness, I'm so rusty, bro. So rusty at using a keyboard and mouse. And I did get a new mouse pad, bro. The new mouse pad is a game changer. My other one was like rock solid, bro. I hated it. Reason for that is because, like, I don't know. I bought it a long time ago at Micro Center, and I thought, you know, like that would be the area. I mean, the microphone I like, but I mean, not the microphone. What am I saying? I thought it would be the mouse pad I liked, but it wasn't. I don't like it. Okay, this is a 930 low, right? Yeah, it's a 930 low. It's a clear draw. Same thing with this. I think the market is going to continue dumping. Might retrace higher. Since we're breaking below these lows, we're probably going to retrace, aim for 50%, and then probably continue to the downside. If not market open, we're just going to continue dumping here. The bias does look bearish, but let's go to the 4-hour. We have to really look at this 4-hour candle. The 4-hour profile, bro, profiling and understanding the cycles is very crucial here. 930 open market is pushing up higher, and again you have to follow the order flow. The order flow on the market. Delta is what pushes price. Is the accumulation of sellers and buyers, the aggression between buyers and sellers. Fabio Valentini. I love Fabio Valentini, bro. He's an excellent trader. Honestly, he's probably one of the best by far. He's an amazing guy. He's an amazing person. He's an amazing person, as Donald Trump would say, something like that. We have no news, I bet. Yeah, we have no news. Next week is gonna be NFP, bro. I can't wait for that. Can't wait for NFP, bro. Look at the market. I know some of y'all like trading this. Y'all like trading market open. Y'all love it. It's juicy, quick volatility. That's y'all probably go on the 15-second time frame, 30-second time frame. Oh, we're rallying up. Anniversary, we're rallying up right here. Anniversary, let's go short. Let's go short. Let's go short. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. You know, it's gambling, bro. I swear, I see so many people online gambling, but I stopped watching it. You know, I'm not gonna lie. It's not entertaining. Well, it's not entertaining, but it's just not educational. It's not like there's no benefit of watching it. It is entertaining, I won't lie, but it's just not beneficial. In terms of like learning and gaining new knowledge and just, I don't know. I just don't like it. We do have some form of micro, little SMT at the highs with the YM right now, and MNQ. There's no form of IFVG though, and if again we have to be scaling these higher time frames. That's very, very crucial to me. I would want to see a retracement into this low fair value up here, maybe, and then starting to push lower. And it looks like we're at the bottom of the range. You know, like I just don't. I won't lie. I don't like trading that unless yesterday. Like yesterday, we started melting. This doesn't look like we're gonna do that. You know, because again, we would have to start at the top of the range to then melt, reach the first draw, continue going lower and lower. Because this was the first draw. I won't lie. These lows were the first draw. Market melted and it continued melting until we reached the main draw. And that was really it. And I won't lie. I was kind of expecting a melt. You know, Friday I think, or no, Tuesday. I was expecting a melt of a continuation lower to reach these draws. Because again, these draws are so, like, I don't know. They're just so obvious. Whenever the market is like dumping and like pushing up, and especially inside of a range too, the market is gonna want to just take out the draws first before we start moving in the real direction. Okay, now we don't have SMT. Now we're pushing up higher, strongly on NQ. Pushing strongly here. Nice. ES does have that fair value up. NQ also. Let's see if we have anything. I would want to see this candle get swept up here. Look at the 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle is showing some signs of rejection here, despite reaching that low. Let's draw this real quick on the 1 hour. Just have it as reference. Area of like redelivery, I guess, or rebalancing. What ICT call it? You would call it the internal rebalance. I think that's what it's called. Oh, the immediate rebalance. That's what it is. All right, now we're forming this 1 minute IFVG here. This does not look bad, but it depends on how many candles we have like to cut through this at the speed. I think speed is crucial whenever you're using IFVGs. Because last time, bro, I traded the IFVG, bro. I got chopped up. It was so annoying. So we do have this fairly up here on the 30-minute. On the 1 hour time frame, we don't have anything here. We don't have any 4-hour PD array on the daily time frame. We don't really have much either, except for that weekly area. We are having a daily candle range low sweep, so I'm gonna have to mark that out. See if that could be a confluence, especially for the 10 a.m. candle to push us up higher and reach for this area of buy side up here with that buy side imbalance that's unfilled. So we don't know. Maybe, you know, maybe if we are gonna push lower, it's gonna happen towards like the end of the day. Maybe this the end of the move, but on the weekly again we swept those highs. So this candle again, this candle was like a very indecisive. We're inside of this candle's range, this low right here, and this high. So it's like very hard to determine where your bias is, especially on like a lower time frame. But all you can do is just wait, bro. That's all you really can do. That's all you can do, bro. Just wait till the market gives it to you. It's clear. Of course, we are pushing lower, and we do look more bearish than bullish, but that doesn't mean we can't be bullish, you know, especially in a range. In a range, we just can't determine where the market would want to go. You just have to be patient here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I think we are bearish. Yeah, we do have SMT up here actually. Yeah, we might. This might look good, I won't lie. This candle was bullish, bullish, bullish. Throw out bearish now. Goes to the 15-minute time frame. So to wake up, so it could be purple, it could be pink. How many points is this? 40 points. It's not bad. Alright. Oh, what am I gonna do that? Better. Yes, does look weak. MNQ does look a little bit stronger, I won't lie. We do have that bearish SMT though. I don't know though, because we're only like 8 minutes into market open. So how to mix it. I want to see strong rejection in terms of like melting. I just don't feel like we're getting that right now though. I think ES would be the better market to trade. Let's see if they have that 1 minute for later here. Nah, it's already too far in. I just don't know though. It looks weak. Look. We're just having big wicks, doing this and that. Maybe like on a 2 minute, 3 minute. Yeah, we have 3 minutes for like the 1 minute one. It just didn't look good. I won't lie. The 1 minute one doesn't look good at all. I think the 3 minute one does look a lot better in terms of like if we do have speed and velocity. Oh, we have perfect lows down here stacked. So if we do close a little bit below, we'll probably go break even right here at this area. We have to wait and see now. And we did sweep these highs, I won't lie. So it's 15, 30 minute. So we do have a 30-minute candle high sweep. Ah, yeah. What did you say? See, I just don't like how the 1 hour didn't have that. Don't know. That's why it's so crucial to use the highest presented fair value gap. Because if you use that 1 minute one, bro, you would have got I don't know, if you traded off momentum, you probably would have got stopped out right now. YM swept the lows again. This is maybe we're missing a bullish move, you know. Maybe not really a bullish move, but the market wants to continue pushing up before we start to move down lower. You gotta understand, you know, like this is all low resistance that the market can come and sweep and then eventually start to reject. And your last area where like there was strong aggression is probably right around here, you know, so right there. So the market would want to probably retrace a little bit more, probably sweep this high and then start to melt. That's a key scenario you can probably see happening. So you need to wait and see. YM is just melting, bro. MNQ is still moving up higher. So again, there's gonna be a form of cracking correlation here that is not being shown on the chart. Maybe on the 30-minute, 15. On the 1 hour for sure. Let me just wait for that. I'll wait for that candle to close. Again, you be patient. Being patient, being logical. This is gonna be a full live recording session, bro, because I think a lot of people need to see like more of these, especially like how traders trade, bro. I don't see that many traders. Oh, I see Diego, you know, do live trading sessions. Great trader, great content creator, man. Great person, honestly. It's very inspiring, I won't lie. But in terms of that, you know, like who else be doing these recording sessions, you know, like they just do trade recaps. They don't really show you like the thought process behind these trades, how they take it, how they execute, certain things like that, you know. I just don't see it online anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I think this could be the move lower now. This might be the move lower. If we start to melt. Yeah, if YM's, yeah, I think we're gonna, oh yeah, we're probably gonna go here. If MNQ doesn't start moving and follow through with DS, then I just don't know what's gonna go on. This should be a clear melt. Look, we even had an internal sweep. Once we break below here, it's crucial. And once we break below that candle, that's kind of where it gets a little more dangerous. Because then think about it. Look, in the 1 minute, broke below here. That's crucial to me. Look how choppy it is. You see that? But once we break through here, this is kind of like where majority of the aggression of the sellers are. If we break through that and we continue to displace, we're probably gonna reach through here and do those lows too. So I'm about to just wait and see, honestly. Look at that, boom! Look at that strong wick. 942. ES is just melting, bro. Yeah, we're probably gonna go. Just wait and see. I just don't like how inconsistent this market is right now. 50 points right around here. I would want to see a closure. Aim for these lows and 1 to 3. I just don't know if the delivery is gonna be good to get to that. And then we are rejecting already. I don't know. And we're rejecting. We're not showing strong aggression to those lows, past those lows. And on nature, look. On rich and out of control. It's still hesitating. That's all. I don't just. Alright, yeah, we're melting. I'm getting in. Alright, we're getting in here. Break even at those lows. So if we reach these lows, we'll go break even. I know it's pretty close, but we gotta do what we gotta do, man. In 67. Should continue here. If not, we can just re-deliver back into this fair value. Alright, yeah, break even. I want to take profit right around here. That's close. Alright. In all honesty, we should respect this area right here. We shouldn't. Nah, we shouldn't be pushing past. Strong. Yeah, we're probably gonna stop break even. Bro, I just don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like how the market is moving right now, and that's the one trade I take for today. See, this is what I mean, like, bro, if the market is... That's the one trade I take for today, bro. I know it might be, like, stops to break even too soon, but, bro, when the market is moving like that, you know, we should be breaking past these lows, especially for bearish. But, again, we're overextended in the range, in my honest opinion. I think this right here is overextended. We still should have pushed up higher than... But either way, it did look like a good idea. There just was no sponsorship behind the big move, I guess, you know. Maybe this is the real move, you know, the buys. So look, we have a multiple inversion parallel ups here forming. Sweeping the lows. Let's see if this all plays out perfectly. Because again, we have more buy set up there. Let's see if I trailed my stops too tight, though. Maybe that's kind of what was happening here. But the break-even point wasn't a bad area, because again, this is a key area. We can reverse off of these relative equal lows, and that's why you have to be very, very careful, you know, because once you move and you sweep these lows, look, you had strong rejection. The market just instantly came back up. You see that? It swept those lows, and then what? The next, 4 candles were all green, bullish. Now we're reversing, we're pushing up higher. That's why it's so crucial, bro. I'd rather hit for $8 a green, and then instead of losing 500, you know, in my honest opinion, because the trade didn't look bad. And again, we're even inside of a range right now, you know. We're just in between this high and low. We don't know where we're going. Swept the lows. I don't know if we're gonna sweep the highs and then go back down lower. The bias is unclear. Even though I am a little bit more bearish, the bias just still is unclear. We don't know how this weekly candle and daily candle are gonna want to close. So yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna try to end the recap right now. or I might end the recap right now, but I want to see. Yeah, we were probably wrong. The market is just pumping. Look at that. It's going to break above here. If it breaks above here, we're bullish. We're strong bullish. Probably going to reach for that buy set up there. I don't know what this line is. I just have random lines drawn on my thing. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Did I get... Yeah. I don't know if I got... Did I get faked out? NBA, NFL players. Now we're showing rejection again. I just don't like the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks like it wants to retrace higher, or retrace for higher prices and go back into like a premium, you know, because we're overextended in a discount right now. But it's just the market. It doesn't even know. The market doesn't even know where it wants to go. Honestly, I'm kind of I don't know. I'm not really mad or anything. I could really care less. But yeah, that's really it for today. Look, we're at 3,000 on the dot. Look how cool that looks. Cool, right? That's cool, guys. This is my monthly P&L. February has come to an end, ladies and gentlemen. That is it for me for February. My one trade for today. Indecisive market, honestly. Very, very hard conditions to be trading in if you are just a trader in general. You know, respect to you. If you end in the month green. My best day for this month was Tuesday. And then Fridays were decent. I won't lie, Fridays were decent. We had hits. Sometimes we lost. Same thing with, you know, with Wednesdays and Mondays. But Thursday we had that big red losing day. Very slow PA. We should have just been able to avoid what went on here. But yeah, that's pretty much really it. We aimed for that 1 to 2. Today we were aiming for like a 1 to 3. And if we hit that 1 to 3, bro, it would have been, I don't even know how I would have been reacting, honestly, if I hit a 1 to 3 right now. That would be game changing. That would I would really only need like 1% more to pass these combines and then get back on eval. I mean, get back on express. So yeah, that would have been crazy. And then would have been up on the funded around 3.8. Nah, I'm just playing like 3.2 around there. I'm tripping. I was thinking about like if I actually made two G's. But I would have been up like 3.2. The market is pumping, bro. Market is pumping right now, I won't lie. But yeah, my profit factor is 3.2. Great job on maintaining a solid profit factor from Coach T. 82% trade win, daily win 100% today, 34% of best day of total profit. So we're below the 50% consistency. 73. I need to work on this. My average win versus my average loss. I need to start letting my trades run and not taking partials. Like this day I was, you know, trailing my stop loss. This day I was taking partial. No, which day? I was taking partials this day. This day I actually did really good. So yeah, and that's pretty much really it for the trade recap. You can see the market is just, it wanted to aim for higher prices, and I simply got caught up on the wrong direction, and it happens, ladies and gentlemen, it happens. Allow yourself to have that room of error, por favor, all right? And then, so yeah, that's really it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.